call the MD and or call the lady in the office and say, well, we are the admin, and being told, well, the money was confirmed, and it's so simple. It was great.
So that's to say that the customer service was superb.
Exactly, and every time any payment is being made, I got a confirmation from the company and said, well, this is the amount you have paid, this is your balance, and everything was just great.
So obviously, all this while you've been in communication with our boss, Sir Vopnu. So what can you say about him? What can you say about your experience working with him?
Well, I would say this guy is a good example to be a Nigerian that somebody can do business with if you are not in this country. As a person from the diaspora, I think is a person I would recommend. And I'm going back actually to my base, and I'm going to really make a lot of business through